A dark forest at twilight. Hundreds of fireflies light up like stars, floating above the grass. Welcome back to Stories TV. I'm Venant, your guide into the hidden wonders of our world. Imagine a creature no bigger than your fingernail, yet capable of painting the night sky with glowing patterns. A creature that has fascinated humans for centuries, inspired art, folklore, and even science. Meet the firefly, nature's tiny lantern, a marvel of light, life, and survival. Today, we uncover the untold story of fireflies, their ancient origins, incredible abilities, surprising secrets, and the challenges they face in a world that is slowly dimming their glow. This is Fireflies, nature's tiny lanterns of wonder. The mesmerizing glow illuminates the insect's intricate anatomy. Fireflies have been illuminating Earth for over 100 million years, long before humans ever walked the planet. Fossil records show that these luminescent insects have survived mass extinctions, adapting to forests, fields, and wetlands across the globe. Throughout history, fireflies have captured human imagination. Ancient Japanese folklore calls them Haikebotaru, spirits of the departed. In Europe, fireflies inspired early studies of bioluminescence, laying the groundwork for modern biology. But how do these little creatures produce light? It's not magic, it's chemistry, more specifically, a chemical reaction called bioluminescence. This process occurs in specialized light-producing cells within the firefly's abdomen. By controlling the reaction, fireflies can generate light in various colors, from the familiar yellow-green glow to blue, red, and even pink hues. What's even more remarkable is that this reaction is 100% energy efficient, producing no heat. Scientists marvel at this natural engineering, studying it for medical imaging and energy-efficient lighting. Time-lapse of fireflies flashing their lights in a synchronized pattern against a backdrop of a starry night sky. Each species has its own unique flashing pattern. Think of it as their language. They use these flashes to attract mates, communicate, and even warn predators that they taste bad. Some fireflies mimic the flashes of other species, tricking males into approaching them, only to become a meal. Nature's tiny optical illusions at work. Meanwhile, humans are still struggling to invent a battery that lasts more than a week. A child gazes in awe at a jar filled with fireflies, their lights twinkling like captured stars. Fireflies have inspired humans in countless ways. Poets and painters have captured their glowing dances for centuries. Festivals in Asia celebrate their presence as symbols of love and the ephemeral beauty of life. Modern science uses firefly enzymes called luciferase in labs worldwide to monitor genetic activity, detect diseases, and even track pollution. These tiny lanterns are far more than nighttime spectacles. They are vital contributors to human knowledge and culture. A scientist examines a preserved specimen of an extinct species of firefly, highlighting the importance of protecting these creatures. Despite their enchanting glow, fireflies face serious threats. Light pollution from urban areas disrupts their mating signals, reducing reproduction. Habitat loss from urbanization and pesticides diminishes populations. Climate change is altering seasonal patterns, putting some species at risk of extinction. Conservationists warn that losing fireflies would not only dim the night skies, but also erase centuries of cultural heritage and natural wonder. A researcher releases fireflies into a protected habitat, symbolizing hope for their species' recovery. But there is hope. In Japan, firefly populations were restored through careful habitat management, inspiring similar conservation programs worldwide. These fragile creatures remind us that even in the smallest forms of life, there is strength and resilience. They adapt their glow, their behavior, and their timing to survive in changing environments, and they offer a message of hope for us all. So, the next time you find yourself surrounded by the magical glow of fireflies, take a moment to appreciate their beauty and fragility. Let their resilience inspire you, and let their vanishing light remind you of the importance of protecting our natural world. For in preserving their habitats, we are also safeguarding a piece of our own cultural and natural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the hidden world of fireflies on Stories TV. If this documentary lit up your curiosity, like this video, share it with friends, and comment below your favorite firefly fact, or suggest the next hidden story we should explore. And of course, subscribe to Stories TV for more cinematic documentaries that reveal the hidden wonders of our world. Outro: Fireflies flickering over a serene river at night. Stories TV.